Yesterday I have told you about the extraction of iron. The iron prepared in blast furnace is known by the name of pig iron. It contains large number of impurities. When this pig iron is melted, it is converted in the cast iron. Cast iron is having somewhat lesser content of carbon. It is only 3% because some of the carbon is oxidized and escapes in the form of carbon dioxide. The purest form of iron is wrought iron. It is malleable. It is having very low carbon content. This carbon is prepared in a reverberatory furnace which has a lining of hematite. In this, calcium carbonate is added as slag. The carbon is converted in the form of carbon monoxide and escapes, and the volatile impurities like silicon, phosphorus, sulfur are converted in the form of oxides, and they are being converted in the form of slag and are removed. This iron is very useful. The next one is the extraction of copper. The ore of copper is copper pyrite. It is concentrated by Froth flotation process. The next process is roasting. Roasting is done in reverberatory furnace. Copper pyrite reacts with oxygen. It gives copper sulfide plus FeS and sulfur dioxide. In the copper sulfide and ferrous sulfide mixture is added in blast furnace. From the bottom, the hot air is passed. Iron sulfide reacts with hot air. It is converted in the form of iron oxide. The silica is added in the form of flux. It reacts with ferrous oxide and formation of slags takes place. If some carbon sulfide is also converted in the form of copper oxide, it combines with FeS to form copper sulfide plus FeO, and the mixture of copper sulfide and FeO is known by the name of copper metal. The next process is Bessemerization. It is done in a furnace. It is known by the name of Bessemer converter. It is a pear-shaped furnace. In this furnace, copper sulfide is being added and hot air is passed. The copper sulfide oxidized in the form of copper sulfide and sulfur dioxide gas escapes out. The copper sulfide reacts with copper oxide. Formation of copper takes place and sulfur dioxide is formed. This copper sulfide is 99.9% pure. This sulfur dioxide is used for the preparation of sulfuric acid. Next one, electrolytic refining is done to get 100% pure copper. Now next is the electrochemical principle of metallurgy.